Hey guys, how we doing? Today we're going to be showing you another video on Maverick, the Maverick repo. Also, two add-ons that I'd like to suggest that you install from the Maverick repo. I'm going to show you that right now. So, first thing we want to do, everyone, is go to the wheel here. This is a fairly fresh version of Kodi. We click that wheel, and then we go straight to File Manager. I've already added this, but what we're going to do, I'm going to remove that. So just ignore this process. Right, there we go. So what we're going to do is add the source, click the add source, and this is the address that you're going to want to be adding. Well, sorry guys, bear with me. Alright. That's the address, yep. So, yep, bear with me. Yep, so the address you want to add, guys, is http // that one already, good grief. Having an off day today. Right, there we go, perfect. Alright guys, so that's the address you want to add for the Maverick repo. You may want to pause this. This might be a good time to pause this while you input this address into your device. And we're going to just move on to the next step now. So once you've added that address, we're going to OK it. It's named it to Mav repo. We'll leave that just the way it is. And then as you can see, it's now come up in the File Manager. So we're going to back out now, back again and again. So we're right back to the beginning. And then we're going to click Add-ons. We're going to go straight to this box here. And they're going to install from zip file. And once you're in this section, you'll see the file that we've just added. Give that a click, and then you're going to want to add the repository just here. Now, if you just give it a moment, you should see the notification come up. There we go. TV repo added. And the next step now is we're going to install from the repository. Okay. So as you can see, the Maverick repo there. Give that a click. Straight to video add-ons, and the two what I'm going to just tell you about now that I don't want you to install. I suggest you take a look at them and see what you think. They're pretty good, and he's pretty well known as Maverick. So here's the first one, MaverickTV. Give that a click, get that installed, nice and quick. And the next one that I'd like you to have a look at is at the Flix. I believe this is one of his newest ones. It's had some updates recently as well. So another one to check out. So let's get that installed. Okie dokie. We'll take a quick look at these just before I finish the video. So yeah, let's have a look. So Maverick here, we're going to open it. As you can see, there's lots of stuff in here. Probably too much for me to go through, but as you can see, movie releases, sports, box sets, IPTV, comedy, kid stuff, documentaries, music, concert, radio stations, NASA, bloopers, YouTube. So there's all sorts in here to go through. There really is. I'll just click this one quick. Click that. Click that. See how quick it is to run. There we go. And then we can back out of here. I mean, as I say, there's just so much. It's even 4K stuff. Can have a quick look at that. Let's click this. Something random. I tell you, if you want to give your device a good crash test, run something at 4K and see if it can handle it. And in this case, I don't think my system likes it. But trial and error, everybody, trial and error, and see what you think. Oh, I spoke too soon. There we go. 4K. Alright, so that's that. So that's MaverickTV, and then we're going to just go quick at the Flix. Give that open. There we go. Very similar to MaverickTV, but I do believe he's got other sections here. Obviously, if you use real debris, you can set that up. I'm not sure if he's got track set up with it, but also pairing options with some of these sources. I don't know, where do we look? Let's just go, let's click this one. So I hope you're enjoying this video, guys. As I say, it's just to demonstrate some of these add-ons that are out at the moment, and been hearing good things. Obviously Maverick is quite good at what he does, and obviously a lot of content to enjoy there as well. But again, if you do enjoy these videos, guys, please press the subscribe button, or you can click the like button for me, and see what you oh, don't forget, you can also click the notifications, so every time I release a video you're able to get the update or an email to notify you. Okay, maybe that one wasn't a good section. Let's try this one. So obviously it's got a few bits to do as the way these add-ons work. Let's just cancel it there, see what comes up. Okay. So you get some options here of where you want to install it from. So I'll just go for something random there. Sorry, not install, you want to play it. Obviously you can pair at your own leisure. So yeah, I think you may have to have a little bit of explore this add-on and see what you think to it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I don't want to make this video any longer than it has to be, but as I say, it's just to give you a rundown on MaverickTV at the Flix and the easiest way to install it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again all next time. Have a great week and stay safe out there with this cold, freezing weather. Alright, all the best. Ta-ra.